Okay. Let's proceed to maritime transport. Okay. Pag sinabing maritime transport, boat homes, boat building, and maritime customs are all part of Philippine maritime transport. These buildings usually constructed of wood selected by elders and skilled artisans. Okay? Serve as a primary mode of transportation of the populace, allowing them to travel islands by using the seas and rivers as their highways. Okay? The earliest evidence of boat making and boat usage in the country is still dated to 320 AD. May lumabas sa Gen Ed. Ano daw? What does AD stands for? Oh, hanapin na. Ano? Na ibig sabihin ay after that. Okay? Lumabas yan sa general education. Okay? 320 AD, Anno Domini. Okay? By Cabron Barangay. Even though boats are thought to have been used in the archipelago for thousands of years since the arrival of humans through water. Sir, ano ibig sabihin? Ano yung tsura ng barangay? Ito, tsura niya. Okay? Nakita siya sa Butuan. Okay? So, itong barangay, tinatawag siyang Butuan Mother Boat kasi natagpuan siya sa Butuan City noong 1970s. Okay? Sorry, 1970s sa Butuan City, Philippines. Okay? O, yan. Next, kaya tinawag siyang mother boat. Okay? Next. Sir, ano naman yung Caracoa, a large outrigger warship noong 1711? Okay? Pag sinabing Caracoa, ito lang naman yung mga panglaban nila. Okay? Panglaban nila. Hinihirapan ako ng slides. Wait lang. Okay, bilisan na natin. Okay? Caracoa, a large outrigger warship, ginamit siya noong pre-colonial period. Okay? Para saan? Warfare. Pang-raids. Okay? Pangsugod nila. Coastal defense. Okay? Pag sinabing with long and narrow hull, ito, long and narrow hull, ang isasagot nyo, Caracoa, a large outrigger. Okay? So, itong elevated na part, ginagamit siya ng mga ano ba to? Mga marksman, mga MM, no? Mga MM, sino mga nag-ML dito? Mga archers. Okay? Itong sa taas. Warriors and archers. Sa taas. Okay? Next. Ito, no? Nag-reconstruct tayo ng balangay. Balangay. Okay? Nag-reconstruct tayo ng balangay. Okay? Again, pag sinabing okay, bakit tayo nag-reconstruct? To preserve Filipino maritime heritage and showcase ancient shipbuilding techniques. Okay? Anong cultural significance ng pag-reconstruct ng balangay? It highlights the seafaring skills of early Filipinos and their role in regional trade and exploration. Next, Paraw, Palawan. Pag sinabing Paraw, Palawan, the paraw, pag sinabing paraw, it is a traditional Filipino double outrigger. Okay? Commonly used in, of course, Palawan. Ano itsura niya? A large triangular sail with narrow. To narrow. Kanina large. Di ba? Mataas. And two outriggers for stability. Ito yung outriggers. Okay? For stability yan. Pag sinabing outriggers, itong nasa gilid. For stability. Okay? Next. Yan ang yung mga example sa maritime, folk maritime natin. Next, ito namang Owong Lake, Cebu. Okay? Bakit siya sikat? Okay? Kikita siya sa Lake Cebu. Hindi sa Cebu ha, hindi siya Cebu City. Sa South Cotabato. South Cotabato. Okay? Ginagamit siya sa mga craters and lake. Yan. Na mga alam, Tibuli indigenous. Tibuli indigenous. Okay? Saan siya ginagamit? Sa crater and lakes. Di ba marami dyan minsan yung mga ano? Okay? Yung biodiversity na pansin niyo, freshwater fish, migratory birds, and endemic flowers. Okay? Next, weaving. Let's proceed to weaving. Each ethnic group in the Philippines has its own distinctive weaving methods, and weaving is still practiced today. The weaving art includes weaving techniques for baskets, backstraps, looms, head gear, fishnets, and other items. Ano yung tsura nung looms? To. Ayan. Ay, okay. Pag sinabing, ano ba? Weaving. Okay. Ayan. Weaving, no? Kasama doon siya sa um, um, kasama siya sa indigenous arts and folk arts of the Philippines. Diba? Hanggang ngayon may weaving pa rin. And kasama nan sa weaving si cloth and mat weaving. Okay? Ang backstrap looming is a complicated and challenging procedure used to create a pricey textile. Pero parang hindi ko bet yung construction ng words. Okay? Ginagamit lang ba natin siya to create a pricey textiles? No. It is a traditional techniques of our traditional folks to create a garments. Okay? The Filipino weaving skills use fibers including banana fibers, grass fibers, and palm fibers. Okay? Mga banig or mga kumot. Paano yan ang itsura ng cloth and mat weaving, sir? Ano yung itsura ng, ayan, ng loom weaving? Ito ang tinatawag nating loom weaving. Pag sinabing loom weaving, ito, gagamit ka ng katawan mo. Okay? Okay? This is a ancient technique. Okay? Portable technique where the weaver uses their own body for tension. Okay? I-attach niya yung one end and end of the warp, no? Tapos, sa waist nila may nakakabit din, di ba? With a strap and the wooden sticks. Tapos, i-manipulate nila yan alternatively kung anong gusto nilang design. Okay? Sobrang hirap nun. Mas malabo pa mata. Okay? Next. Basta ganyan pag sinabing backstraps, loom weaving, ganyan ang itsura. Okay? So, anong mga iba't ibang example ng textiles or ng backstrap weaving? Okay? We have the pinilian. Okay? Pinilian is a Filipino brocade weaving technique primarily from the Ilocos region and Cordilleras that uses sticks to create intricate designs which appear to float. Pag sinabing pinilian, ito, lumulutang siya. Para siyang lumulutang. Okay? Okay. Floats on the surface of the fabric. Okay. These designs often geometric and figurative and are formed by selecting and lifting specific warp lengthwise, thread with the sticks on the pedal loom, resulting in a three-dimensional, highly sophisticated textile. No? Kailangan, see, it's very intricate. Okay? Kailangan pantay yung pagkakataas mo, pagkakapasok mo ng very specific na warp kung ano itataas mo. Okay? Para ma-achieve tong pinilian or float on the fabric's surface. Okay? Next. Ito na. Pinilian, binakol, and tinili are some known types of weaving techniques that originated in, alam niyo na to? Correct. Abra. Pag wala si Abra, ano ang sasagot? Paano pag region ang tinatanong? Okay? Loom weaving originated in, not originated actually. Okay? Loom weaving or the Pinilian, Binecol, Tiniri are known, these three types of weaving techniques, no, known in Abra. Pag tinatanong ang region, ang isasagot niyo, CAR or Cordillera Administrative Region. Okay? Next. Ayan, tsura na. Okay? Again, ang region ay CAR. Pag walang CAR, Abra. Pag walang Abra, Baguio. Okay? Okay. Abra Binacol. Abra Binacol weaving is a traditional hand-woven textile. Ito naman is from the Ilocos region of the Philippines, particularly in Abra. No? Known for its optical illusion-like geometric patterns created through a twill weave. Okay? Twill weave. Okay. Yung twill, ito yung pinapaikot mo na yung threads. Okay? Para makagawa sila ng threads. Twill. Okay? So, si Abra Binacol originated from Ilocos region of the Philippines, particularly in Abra nga. Diba? Palit ulit. Known for its optical illusion like geometric patterns created through a twill wave, historically daw, itong Abra Binacol used for sales, the intricate, often dizzying patterns of whirlwinds, parang alon. Okay? And other designs are believed to confuse and ward off evil. O, tignan nyo to. Titigan nyo. This one. O, kung nahihilo ka, evil ka. Ito naman yung whirlwinds. Okay? Alon. Okay? Sa sea, sa dagat. Okay? Ito for anti-evil.